Hi, I'm Alex Jinivizian, Vice President of Strategy for eSentire, the leading provider of managed detection and response. At eSentire, we have two core beliefs. Firstly, in terms of a security breach, it's not if, it's when. And secondly, in terms of our managed detection and response solution, we believe that a customer's network can never be compromised. eSentire protects over $6.5 trillion worth of assets across over 650 customers in industries such as finance, insurance, and manufacturing. We have over 100 customers in Europe and 2 global security operations centers, one located in Cork in Ireland and the other in Cambridge, Ontario in Canada. So what is our managed detection and response solution? We provide managed detection and response for organizations that lack the internal security resources or expertise to monitor or detect threats. At eSentire, we don't just manage devices or utilize signatures for alerting and detection. We fully manage customer networks, inspect and record all endpoint telemetry data and log sources. So why are we here at the Cloud and Cyber Security Expo? We're here to share our knowledge and experience with businesses and partners. Over the course of the Expo, we look forward to sharing our knowledge and experience and engage with businesses and partners. We'll be hosting a keynote presentation at the conference, and please drop by to visit us at our booth. We look forward to seeing you there.